Hmm?
You still on that? Need energy boost? Need energy boost? Diba? Wow, si bench mo ka doon. Oo.
Di ay so ano.
Isa.
Nega-nega.
Talking that one? Yeah, ignore that one. Ignore that one. Ano man? Bakit? Ano? No, remember when I told you, if you entertain what? You forgot?
Your English mo good, but I know what you mean.
No, it's a good expression to remember.
If you put water in the...
No.
What?
Yeah, too. If you entertain a clown, you become part of the circus. Ako will never entertain the bad one, because I'm not the clown.
That's why I don't need to explain
Of
to
course.
you everything.
And then, the plant that's growing the most is the one that you water. So if you're watering the negative and you're feeding it and you're letting it change your emotion, it's gonna make you change, diba?
Yeah.
So you only water the positive.
Yeah. I'm just trying to business. Why you ano?
And if the majority of these people, they know you, know? They know your story.
Yeah.
So then they know that you're a good person.
Blah,
Diba?
blah, 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 blah,
Diba?
blah, blah, blah. Sige na, I have energy na.
Sige. Go.
Go!
Market, go.
I wanna end na lang, oy.
Ano man?
Huh?
Why? Don't let the negative affect business, affect you alone. Ano man? What happened? Sawa? What happened?
Nothing, it's normal.
Normal na lang. Sige na. Let's go. Market.
Ikaw, yung market na.
Have a market for you, sige.
Sige na guys, tama na. Enough na.
Go. What's up, mga gala? It's me, the Aztec. You probably recognize me from all of the most. Saman?
Do you wanna coffee or tea?
Mama, Daddy. We're marketing.
I don't know. Close na daw. Nakaka close eh.
Ano man?
It's so tight. It's so hard. Then I'm going upstairs.
No.
Except I need also a filter.
Why are you going upstairs?
Now I'm going downstairs to
Plug?
the electric or the
Outside?
water. Yeah.
Put it inside again?
I will try.
Ako.
No, I do it.
Just
I
putting
will
the
put
plug
this
in,
one.
no?
No, I'm not scared with that. But we will. Now we try. Then I need a light to torch. I cannot do a marketing without filter.
I mean, I can't do marketing.
Imagine that if you got the filter, you're so beautiful. So filter. Now you do the marketing, Sean.
Sige. So, if you want to be puti, and
Si Shonte, dili siya gusto nami baby. I tell him that our baby, we will like puti. Yeah, we will let him use the Habibi so that he is the one and only model of our products because until now Almost Habibi 3 years, don't have a model.
I think it's so easy to find a model for this one.
What I want is, I want connected to our,
Our branding. Your branding, sorry, not mine.
connected ba to baby, family,
No, they
the one who use the product, not like you just pay, I'll just pay you like this and then promote that you're using Habibi even if you're not using. We're just lying to people and people know that I am true to them. Diba? So if we have baby and then even the baby's
but
bottle will use that.
You know it's gonna be
It's a baby soap.
Yeah.
no, our baby's not using this one. I don't want
He
baby to be
will.
puti. No. My
No, I
baby's
think
not
there's a
puti. It's impossible.
Not like that now. There is kung baby, baby soap. And also depend of the age.
And this one it peels the skin, no, to make it whiter.
Yeah.
So you can't do that to the bata.
Of course, I'm
No.
just joking.
In the future, except if you make for babies.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, you make a baby.
Actually, a lot of mamas, di ba? A lot of mamas like they
You have a good name. You call it hababy.
have babies.
Hababies.
A baby.
Habata.
No, buhat
Apita
ito para
potmas.
baby. Pero dili na siya pwede para baby. Para baby ka namang kuan, ka nang...
But you know, it's so funny. If it's someone's first time and they're scrolling, and they stop, and it's like the two of us selling like whitening. Makes no sense.
Don't do that shit because they will bust you.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, they know. They know po na I don't use. They know that Sean don't use. Kabulo naman mo nga wala din may nagayusan ng Habibi.
Oh, naare na diha.
Nag-live me.
Oh, live na din na.
After show. This one makes you white straight away.
No.
This is the one that when kid take a bath and he come out and he's so puti.
Yeah,
This one.
Kid using Habibi products.
This one. That's why he's puti. No.
Oh, what is that? Instant
It's a
Instant
lotion.
puti.
lotion puti ka.
Maybe a good one. We do one arm. We make product.
But ang Habibi lotion mga igala is ano siya kanang more on moisturizer and very blendable, no white cast, so perfect sa mga morenas and morenos out there.
I like your product, no. Nakapost na ako ng 2 sets sa 6 soap. Ang grande ng products NYU po. Purbos na rin. Okay rin.
Yeah, pwede. So
So,
ang nakanindot ani mga igala, sample lang tamo. Sabi na. Sige. Let Mama Villa mag
Mama so puti, oh.
yeah.
you
Let
open
her
it.
judge the smell. Smell first. Smell.
Smell
Put in your
mango.
hands.
I'm hadlok.
No, just smell lang, Sean.
Yeah, humot. Smell good na lang.
Yeah, I like the
Wow,
smell.
I'm turning puti.
This is for
Yeah. No, it's
Oh.
lotion.
lotion.
And then put it in your hands. Si Sean is Moreno. So, morning timailan mga proof that Habibi lotion is no white cast.
Yeah.
Put it in your here.
I like the smell.
Huh?
Now what?
Put like this.
Only puti.
Huh? No, man, I will just show them but that Habibi has no white cast like that. Oh, see? Very blendable, more on moisturizer with SPF 17. O niyang nakanindot ang mga igala ka ingredients niya pang malakasan doon na siya shea butter that contains a lot of nutrients sa atong skin, di ba? So di po mo ni siya ma-achieve ang glossy sa imong skin kung dili ka mo gamit og Habibi babad soap. So perfect yun siya mga igala kung mo gamit kag babad soap and then mo gamit ka og Habibi nga lotion.
Wow.
Tanawa ninyo ha, tanawa ha.
Wow.
Kani siya ay tato na ko, dark na magyud siya. So kaning lotion ako, kung napa lang ni siya white cast, magpuntik-puntik na ni sa kaputi. Pero look, wow, you can really dance. Ingon ana kanindot o ka-effective ang lotion.
Mine
na
also.
Habibi.
Mine.
Ang good smell.
Humot.
Yeah.
Ako brown.
No need
brown.
perfume pag naka-Habibi lotion ka.
Oh, naputi ako. Puti,
Wala oh.
Already puti.
Oh, puti.
Glossy.
Glossy. Skin.
Kami ka puti ni puti. You're so white.
Oh, Habibi's lotion is makes you white. No, Hamis siya niya. puti pag yun.
Yes.
Dili
Mako
ka na.
puti ba ang tattoos ni Sean? Mako puti.
Compare ning usa oh.
Mako
Yeah, look mga igala. Kani siya mga igala, mo ni siyang gibutangan og habibi nga lotion. So tanaw makita niyo mga igala, mas lighter siya and mas glossy siya compare sa iyahang kaning skin, kaniyang dating kaniyang pikas kamot nga wala gibutangan og habibi lotion. So mas healthy tanawon ang skin nga nakapahid og habibi lotion. Oh, nabulol ko.
What's makeship mean?
What?
Ma'am, pwede mo makeship, ma'am, make it Malaysia?
Yeah.
I like this one. And what is this? What
Yes,
is
mga higala, kung unsa kanindot ang lotion, maupod kanindot ang sunscreen. Ang sunscreen, mga higala, is na siya SPF 70. Plus, ang pangmalakas ang ingredients niya is na siya collagen plus niacinamide. So, kabulo na mo kung unsa kanindot ang niacinamide sa naong, no? So, nindot kay na siya, para sa kuha, every day, you really need to use this. No, even if wala mo nagagamit o gabibi nga sabon, kailangan mo mag-sunscreen.
Question from-
protection from UV rays.
Janet
Abid,
asked,
abid.
wait, Janet's asking how to order. Janet, how do I order?
Go to Habibi main account, sa Picas account, diri sa akong TikTok, go ka, makita nimo siya dira mga higala. Naka-indicate dira sa yellow basket ang imuhang product na gusto orderan.
now this is for the face.
Mo ni siya ang sa face. Then smell.
For this is for the face.
Yeah. Smell it.
This is sunscreen. Okay, wow, ako'y ramos ha.
Then ang nakanindot sa sunscreen mga higala kay para mukha siya kanang naka-tinted sunscreen, so di na ka kailangan mag-foundation. Kay all in na siya. You only need lip tint.
Oh, so palit ko ani ha. Nya kuan pagid siya kanang what is this kanang unsa ni?
How to purchase, madam? Everyone's asking how to purchase, how to order.
Oh, kani siya naa siya kani nagibutangan ako og kani
Yeah, sunscreen.
sunscreen. Nya kaning
Oh,
pikas.
sa Mami Bilya na
Kani
lang
siya
ang
wala
model
ni
sa
siya, wala ni
Habibi.
siya nya kani siya naa ni siya oh.
Okay, and how
Kani
much,
wala.
please?
How much this?
Guys, sa likod naka-indicate na siya.
Oh.
Sa yellow basket naka-indicate na siya for only 100, I forgot,
Ay, salamat.
199 pesos.
Kani siya 195.
Yeah, 199 I think.
199.
Yeah. Mukha din
199.
tayo na dili familiar sa mga price list.
Mao na dahil kong gamiton ron. So, Habibi na tanto na.
They said, is there white cast ang sunscreen?
No.
No, oo.
Guys, kablo mo sa rason nga no,
Nawa
ang
ni
Habibi
siya.
nga lotion and sunscreen is walay white cast. Kay ang formulation is made by me.
Kath, how to order?
Tungod kay dili ko ganan og white cast.
You go to the cart and order.
Yeah, go to the card.
Habibi model si Mama Bilayo o
Karon pa ko kagamit.
Diba? Karon pa tino.
Karon pa.
hello
Sa
po.
Tinona, tanaw sa Tinona, lami kay dagway.
Lodi Shan, sarprang idol ka namin ng asawa ko.
Mao din ni siya.
Yeah.
Whitening ni siya. White akong naungan.
No. Dili siya.
Whitening.
Wag ginagamit po na ko na siya. Kaya mo ako naka-tinted sunscreen, di na ako kailangan ng foundation.
Do you ship to the USA?
Yeah.
Sunscreen.
Yes.
Not me.
But-
The depo.
Depo. I have one for you, Mama.
How many?
Wow, one for you, Mama. Oh, asking, you're so lucky your son is a bench model.
And also is Habibi.
Another one, oh. Your son is bench model, di ba? Yeah.
Ako model masag ko.
Another one.
Ang
Wow.
model
You're-
sa mga katambok.
What's mother, daughter-in-law?
Daughter-in-law.
Sa Bisaya natin?
Hindi humapos.
Kasi Bisaya sa daughter-in-law?
Ang sabi sa'yo sa daughter-in-law.
Oh, another one. Mama Bilya, Habibi is so lucky to have bench model. Oh, yeah.
Don't ano siya, kasi no one commentation.
I'm reading this one. This one, oh, it said that.
No one commentation. Don't ano.
Okay, I'm amazed you model so handsome and pretty CEO. Uganan.
Ugangan. Ako'y ugangan.
Oo, siya may ugangan.
Sean Pulao is a baby.
Wala
who
din ko
should-
nawa manggod akong pangutukod kay
I think so.
na interesado manggod ko ani.
You shop
Karon
for
pa
Depot,
ko.
apparently.
Yeah,
Sa-
ako guys,
sa-
I'm not allowed to release products. Only depot. So my job
Do
is
you ship to Thailand?
Yeah.
So maybe I will do it then.
This one?
I'm going to do all the people were ordering. No?
Pwede po.
Para
Do you ship Australia? Yes.
What's your home?
Yes, mga igala, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, International. Ato lang
Binale.
sa Blue App.
Binale.
binalayi.
Ay, Balayi. Ay,
Binalayi.
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 Binalayi. O Uganan. Binulayi.
Binalayi.
Umagad.
Umagad. Umagad na
Umagad.
sayon. Kako no umagad kay taga Cebu na. Umagad.
Oh, umagad.
Umagad. Ibutangin na ni umagad Close. Mao din ni siya. Pero usara na mapalit dili ka na set.
Sa set, kani siya sa set, naka-indicate na nani sunscreen.
Apil
night
na
cream.
siya.
Wala siya, lahi na siya. Kaya namin mga tao, nga dili ganahan og kanang gusto nila nag-sunscreen lang gud.
Ito.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit now because episode 10 is coming now. Finish na lang.
Yeah, abang-abang sa episode 10, i-upload ni Sean Pelayo.
Kani siya one.
No one asking na. Good. I can back to ano na.
Work na.
Work.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, let's go.